First, when exporting the project, you need to select the BAR file format at the bottom. Click to export and share it with the other party through third-party applications such as QQ, WeChat, and Bluetooth. When the other party receives the shared project, first save the file to the mobile phone and pay attention to the save path. Go to the document, find this project according to the saved path, and then save it as another file or move it to the folder unique to BaoRuler, that is, under the import file path of BaoRuler. Note that the import file for iPhones is import file. After saving the project in the import files folder, check if the file extension is BAR file. If you encounter files with the bin extension, you need to delete them and keep only the BAR file. After completing the above work, return to the BaoRuler software, click on File, click on the import icon, and import the corresponding project file. After the import is completed, you can view the project at the top of the file list. At this point, you can click on the file to view and edit it.